All right, we have our second train of the day. Possibly it will be the G753 coming his way back over to the CWRY connection. See what we have today on this set of power. It was called in GE. It might be the same light power, I don't know. It is the G753 53-30. Woo! Woo! And here's 4046-5369. Woo! With the G753. Woo! Yeah! Woo! This train came out of Collier Yard. CSX 5333 on CSX G753. Interport speed of CWRY connection to the Portsmouth Sun. And from here he will proceed to South Norfolk. Woo! Proceed to Rail Corp. Fat wheel. Woo! And here comes the end of it. There's a few more cars that are wrapping up in the G753. Woohoo! Oh man. Woo! And I tell you, he was going fast, and I wasn't kidding. Whoa. And anyway, there they go.